I would now request Megha Bagini to open the product and take the students through the examples.
Pradanya Mahodaya.
Tapacharya. Pradama.
Uttam.
Jivanam.
Second one, va?
Chaturthi. Jaya. Dvitiya.
Tritiyam, va?
Dvitiya. Bruhat Chatram. Bruhatcharyam. Chaturthi.
धन्यवादाः. विनोद शर्मा महोदय. अस्तु. तद्वायी आदर्श महोदय.
संशंभुः द्वितीया.
उत्तमम्. हरिस् पश्येते.
हरिष्येते प्रथमा. एतद् तृतीया. सच्चिद्रूपा तृतीया.
धन्यवादाः. इषु एम्.
भयकृत् झषः. द्वितीया. मृत् शकटिका. मृच्छकटिका.
तकारस्य स्थाने किम् आगन्तव्यम्? ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ತಕಾರದ ಬದಲು? Instead of the, what should you get?
मृच्छकटिका.
श आगन्तव्यं वा च आगन्तव्यं वा?
च.
तकारस्य स्थाने आगन्तव्यं तकारस्य स्थाने आगन्तव्यं वा?
तकारस्य.
तकारस्य स्थाने किम् आगन्तव्यं?
च.
उत्तरं
प्रथम.
वदति वा?
कियत् चिरं प्रथम.
धन्यवादाः. उषाश्री महोदय.
राम राम भगिनी. संस्कृत प्लस चवर्णम प्रथमा.
सकृस् प्लस चवर्णम कथम?
सकृत प्लस चवर्णम द्वितीया. भवत् प्लस जल्लरी ज प्रथम. चतुर्थी.
प्रथमं वा चतुर्थं वा?
चतुर्थी भगिनी.
तृतीयं वा? कथं?
तृतीया.
कथं तृतीयं?
द becomes j. बहुछिद्रम.
बृहच्छिद्रम.
द्वितीया.
बृहच्छिद्रम द्वितीयं.
तज्ज्वलति. तृतीया. न चतुर्थी. फोर्थ वन.
कथं?
तज्ज्वलति. तद् प्लस ज्वलति.
अस्तु, धन्यवादाः. प्रियांका लक्ष्मण महोदय.
चंद्रः.
Which one?
तृतीयं.
Please stay on mute.
Shargin plus Jayah. Dvitiya.
May I know who is talking now?
Priyanka. Yeah. Balat. Balavan plus Chakraha. Balavan plus Chakraha. Dvitiya.
Chakraha va? Katham dvitiyam?
Chakraha. Pratama.
Katham pratamam?
Nakaram becomes Bhubrit plus Chalati. Chaturthi.
Okay. So whenever before telling answer, please read the question. Okay.
Okay.
Bhubrit plus chalati.
रामश्च रामस् प्लस् च प्रथमा.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः. धन्यवादाः. राधिका राघवन् महोदय, अत्र you get 3 options. You have to choose one option.
द्वितीय.
द्वितीयं वा? कथं द्वितीयं?
सारी प्रथमा सकारस्य स्थाने शकारः भवति.
अत्युत्तमं. युद्धे पाण्डवाः कौरवान् जितवन्तः.
तृतीय नकारस्य स्थाने ञकारः आगच्छति.
उत्तमं. Read the question, full question, then we will choose.
पूर्णिमायां पूर्णश्चन्द्रः दृश्यते. द्वितीय सकारस्य स्थाने शकारः. तत् चित्रं भगवतः कृष्णस्य. द्वितीय तत् चित्रं.
द्वितीयं तत् चित्रं. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
रामबाबू भण्डारं महोदय.
महोदय.
अस्तु वा. पूर्णं प्रथमं पठनीयम्. अनन्तरं we'll choose the answer. We'll get 3 answers. We'll choose the answer.
मया आचार्यश्चन्द्र शक्तिमधीतम्.
मया आचार्यात् छन्दश्शास्त्रमधीतम्.
छन्दश्शास्त्रमधीतम्. third one आचार्यात् चन्द्रस्.
चन्द्रस् नास्ति, छन्दस्.
छन्दस्
शास्त्रमधीतम्. Super.
एतज्जगत् एतः जगत् बहु सुन्दरं वर्तते. एतत् जगत् फर्स्ट वन. दूरश्चं I don't know.
दूरा अनन्तरं
क्षीरस्य.
दूरात् झर्झरस्य शब्दः श्रूयते.
दूरात् झर्झरस्य. दूरात् the first one दूरात् झर्झरस्य.
धन्यवादाः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
नीली शेट्टी महोदय.
हेलो.
राम.
संकल्पात् जायते. संकल्पात् plus जायते. So then that will be the third one.
Great. Next.
Sumahan Jayah. So then Sumahan plus Jayah. The second one. Sanchatta Chaiva. I am not able to see that. Is it San? What is it? Can you repeat the word?
Sanghata Chaiva.
Sanghata Chaiva. Sanghatat plus Chaiva. So it's the first one.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Ekanimishan Bhagini. Tatra don't change the screen. So sarve atra jananti. Here you see Sanghatat Chaiva. Punaha tad nishkasya etat screen. Can you close the screen and reopen the same exercise, Megha Bhagini? See, this is a very, very interesting exercise. I am happy that most of them did it correctly. Now, in each of the cases, little bit I will try to explain. Chhatra Shigram. So, there was a Sakara and a Shakara. That is a straightforward case. Kauravan Jitavantaha. Now, you see the table. If you see the table, Kauravan Jitavantaha. So, Nakara plus Jakara. So, any letter of Tavarga can join with any letter of Chavarga. So here Nakara is joining with Jakara. But the result, the transformation is happening to the Nakara, and always Nakara becomes, the fifth letter becomes the fifth letter. So Kauravan Jitavantaha. So you have the fifth letter of Tavarga joining with the third letter of Chavarga to become the transformation is fifth letter of Chavarga. So there is you have to observe carefully how the Sandhi is happening. So can we go to the next one, Bhagini? Purnas Chandraha is a straightforward case, but Sakara is not joining with Chakara, is not joining with Takara. Sakara you can join with Sha or Chavarga letters. But Sakara always becomes Sha. So this is that case. Tachitram is a straightforward case. First letter joining with the first letter to give the first letter there. Acharyat Chandashastram Adhitam. Here you have the first letter Acharyat joining with the first letter of Tavarga, joining with the fourth letter of Chavarga. But whatever comes, it will come as the answer will be first letter of Chavarga because the replacement is to the Ta. Now here in the second case, Sakara joining with Sha. So Sa always becomes Sha. So Acharyat Chandashastram Adhitam. Etat Jagat. This is a straightforward case where the third letter is joining with the third letter. Etat Jagat. Durat Jarjarasya. Again it is Durad, third letter joining with fourth letter. Third letter joining with fourth letter. Third letter of Tavarga joining with fourth letter of Chavarga. So Sankalpa Jayate is also, you have understood now, third letter with the third letter. Sumahan Jayaha, the fifth letter joining with the third letter, giving the fifth letter of Chavarga. Sanghattat Chaiva is a straightforward case, Ta, Cha and Cha. So with this background, now you can stop sharing, Bhagini, or you can show the table. I will show it, don't worry. So with this background, if you see the table here, I would like to go to the table. 1 second. Megha Bhagini, open the table in the product itself. Something is happening. My table is not opening. So if you see here, the table is not the same way the table. Sakara can join with Shakara or Chavarga letters, any of the letters to give Shakara. So that is why we have not put it as the way we have written, you can observe. Same way Takara can join any of these letters to give Chakara. Like that, we have arranged this. So please understand how this table and the examples. Please correlate the tables and examples, and then only you will understand this Sandhi thoroughly. Dhanyavadaha. This finishes the Shutva Sandhi.